steady sun would blow the weather, hides the wide and treacherous shore. Lift up your head to the rising sun, Bahamaland, till the road you trod leads unto your God. March on, Bahamaland.
You have wonderful ideas that will take this organization to the next level. I pledge my support to you and this Sunshine 22. You might find that some of us will be a little hesitant to take flight, but assure them that you are the pilot. Your crew are capable, and you will fly them safely to their destination this time next year. Fellow Kiwanis, we are right now at 25 degrees, 0.5 north, 77 degrees, 21.4 west, and 22.2 miles east of harbor. Hands to harbor, President's close-up. Prepare to come alongside Starboard 2. I thank you for the faith you have placed in me, your leader. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to dock this ship amid some weather conditions. You could have jumped ship, but you stayed at your positions. I encourage you to remain focused. While we are docked, we are still afloat. Our commitment to serve remains steadfast. Use your expertise gained throughout your leadership role to enhance your respective clubs. Thank you for all you do. Thank you. What's up? Go!
She has the qualities of a queen. She's the queen. Ooh, ooh. But the natural beauty, no need to wait up. Beauty and beauty. She's a queen. She's a queen. Hallelujah. She's not